It is now time for bedroom fire alarm test 23. Let's go ahead and take a look at all the devices we got on the system for today. For the pull stations, on the left we have a Notifier NBG12L, and on the right we have a Edwards 270 SPO. For the notification devices, on the left we have a System Sensor S241575 Spectra Alert Strobe, and on the right it's a Wheelock MT4-1224 set on code 3 tone. The smoke detectors, we have the same two addressable ones, and the System Sensor i3 2WB on the system today. And the emergency light. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll start things off with the notifier pull station, then we'll do the smoke detector. I think that'll be our test for today. Alright, we'll go ahead and hit the smoke detector real quick. There it is. Go ahead and blow this out a little bit. Alright. Now we're going to go reset the pull station. Now this pull station, it's obviously a notifier key. Same thing as the voice panel takes. So we'll go ahead and just use that key and reset it. And I make a habit out of doing this, but when you reset this, you do not actually have to flip the switch back up. You can close it and you can see it goes back to normal. Put the key back. Ow. Whatever, I'll do it later. Let's go ahead and reset the panel. So that is the end of today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the Groupme and eBay. Both those links are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.